Seeing lizards at home? These plants can help.
Hi, I'm Mint. My strong smell keeps lizards away. Place me near windows.
Hello, I'm lemongrass. Citrus smell keeps pests away. Place me near doors.
Hi, I'm garlic plant. My strong smell repels lizards. Place me in your kitchen.
Hello, I'm lavender. My scent keeps insects away, so lizards stay away too. Place me in your bedroom.
Hey, I'm onion plant. My smell is too strong for lizards. Place me near entry points.
We help keep your home fresh and lizard-free. Follow Hello Home Plants and save this.